All In is a collection of inspiring stories about people who live life without limits.
I feel like this is a dream. I'm so stoked.
It's a glimpse into the drive and passion found within the human spirit, and a celebration of those who prove to the world and themselves that nothing is impossible.
I want to go more challenging today.
Host Laila Ali, who followed in her father's footsteps to become a world boxing champion, lends a unique perspective to these stories of personal achievement and global impact.
I want to empower you to take matters into your own hands.
Laila will introduce us to people whose imagination sparked inspiration in their own lives. From a 20-year-old free climber's incredible attempt to shatter a world record, to a marathon runner's journey from North to South Pole to fight poverty. From an engineering prodigy's use of paper folding to redefine art, to the rescue of South Africa's black rhinos from extinction. These are the chronicles of exceptional people who refuse to be ordinary.
If you're in the right spot at the right time, you're going to probably get the best ride of your life.
Their stories come from every corner of the globe and all walks of life, including sport, culture, art, travel, adventure, with a common thread of breaking boundaries to make the world a better place.
I really want to show young kids that it's okay to not stick with the status quo.
State-of-the-art production will embed audiences right into the center of the action, giving unprecedented exposure to some of the world's most compelling moments of triumph. And along the way, viewers will be immersed in new cultures with new characters, each with their own story to tell.
To be a small part of that is a really cool thing.
All In celebrates the groundbreaking achievements, extraordinary lifestyles, and the beating hearts that compel driven people to attempt the unthinkable, one moment at a time.
When I overcome those doubts, there's no greater joy in life.
With each of these moments, audiences will find what they crave most, the inspiration to go all in on their own dreams, and the belief that one instant can change the world.